Hey guys, welcome back for another video, and in today's video we are going to talk about three new things. The first one is the upcoming phone of Realme. No, it's not the Realme Blade Runner, it's the Realme about today. The next is an upcoming Vivo phone, which is the Vivo X50 Pro 5G, and the third one is the Sony Xperia 1 2. Okay, so we are going to check out all of those all of their features, starting with the Realme X3 and ending with the Sony Xperia. Okay, so let's start instead of wasting time here, and today we are going to see them. First, we are going to directly go to the Realme X Super Zoom. X3 Super Zoom's features. First, we are going to talk about that. So let's zoom in a bit. No, first let us see its pictures. Okay, so we can see a module like the Realme 6, which has but it is dual cameras, but actually this is not the confirmed image, this is just the leaked image. Okay, so we can see this picture, this is not a confirmed image, but the box is confirmed. The box will just look like this, and only this picture is confirmed. The camera design is going to be like this. It's quite a nice camera design. It's a 64MP camera after all. So now let's check out its specs. Okay, so the Realme X3 Super Zoom features 6.6-inch IPS LCD display. Okay, so it's bad that it's not an AMOLED. It also has a very good 120Hz refresh rate, which was much required with this LCD display. It has a very good Snapdragon 855 Plus. It has a 64MP camera, as I already told you. It has a 32MP front camera. We do not know it will be a or not, but we can expect a punch hole. We can expect a dual punch hole as well, but I think it's gonna be a single punch hole camera. It has up to 12GB awesome RAM and 256GB storage. It has a decent 4200 mAh battery and very good 30W dart flash charging. So we can easily see that the Realme X3 Super Zoom is quite a good phone. Now if it's priced at 25,000 or 24,000, and it's gonna be a big winner, I would definitely recommend it at that price. Now we can expect its launch to be 23rd or 28th May. Okay, so first it's going to be launched at China probably, and these specifications were leaked through a website. And just comment down your guessing about the price of this phone, and if this price is correct, then we would give you a shout out on our Instagram if you are on Instagram. Okay, so now let's check out our next phone, which is gonna be the Vivo X50 5G. First, let us show you its picture. We can easily see a beautiful gimbal camera system. Okay, it's round camera system and it's quite beautiful as well. We can see a 48MP camera, and the design is also nice. Looks like a triple camera, but I'm not sure of that. Okay, so now let's talk about it. Okay, it is launching on 1st June 2020, and as you can see in this leaked image, looks like it's gonna have massive cameras, and we are highly excited about it. And it's a 5G phone, and it's supposed to have 48MP camera, as I already told you. So this was the features we had to talk about the Vivo X50 5G. No other detail of it has been confirmed yet. We only talk about things which are confirmed from nowadays. Okay, so now let's go to our next phone, which is the Sony Xperia 1 2. First let us see the phone. The phone is beautiful. We can see a triple camera, and the design is average. Okay, now let's talk about its features. Okay, so it features a 6.5-inch OLED display. OLED display is okay. It has a beautiful Gorilla Glass 6, a very good Snapdragon 865. It has poor cameras, 12MP main cameras, and no 48MP camera at least, or no 64MP camera. It has an even poorer front camera, which is only 8MP. It has 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. It has an average 4000 mAh battery and QI wireless charging, which is good. So Sony Xperia 1 2 seems like an okay phone with everything is good except the battery and the cameras. So we are also telling you to comment us down the price if you have any price in mind, but we can expect its price to be around 40,000 or 45,000. But you can still comment down your price, and if it turns true, we are going to give you a shout out. And if you want to stay in touch with us, you can directly DM us on Instagram, and this is our username. Okay, so hope you like this video, and do like, share, subscribe and comment on this video, and I will be back with my next video soon in 5 days. And we had talked about the Motorola Edge Plus and Galaxy A21s and Honor X10 X10 Pro in our previous videos. Do check them out as well. And if you just want to spend some time, you can directly chat on me on Instagram any day. Okay, so till then, bye and goodbye. Stay home.